Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's on your side. So on your side Sagittarians, we have the King of Cups. So having a lot of emotions for someone and perhaps not showing them for some reason, and or maybe that is your nature, very emotionally stable and mature. Okay, so let's see what's there on your person side. The Ten of Pentacles. So this person looks at you as something having a long-term stable connection, something stable, maybe even wanting a marriage, looking for a marriage. This person wants a stable and a long-term relationship with you and a commitment also. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this relationship. The most likely outcome. The Five of Swords. Oof. Very unexpected. Some sort of an argument or a fight or some manipulation or something maybe there. We'll see what it is all about. So what is there? Why is this King of Cups here on your side, Sagittarius? Why is this King of Cups here on your side? Why is this King of Cups here? So for the King of Cups we have the King of Wands, the Hangman, and the Five of Wands. Okay. And the Queen of Cups. Okay. So let's see why is this Ten of Pentacles here on your person's side. Ten of Pentacles. Why is this Ten of Pentacles on your person's side? So for the Ten of Pentacles we have the Temperance, the Death and Rebirth, the Judgment. 3 cards, major. And the King of Pentacles. Okay. With the Sun card. Why is this Five of Swords here then? Why is this Five of Swords here as the most likely outcome? So for the Five of Swords, we have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So Sagittarians, what I feel here is you have a lot of emotions for this person and you have a lot of passion also for this person. Okay. But what I feel is in spite, and we have the Queen of Cups also. So in spite of having a lot of emotions and a lot of passion for this person, there is something which is holding this relation back. Whatever it is, it can be the confusion or the circumstances or whatever it is with the Five of Wands. Maybe it's maybe the effort required is more. It can be as simple as that. Or maybe it is difficult to have something with this person. Maybe it's some sort of an uphill task. Uphill in the sense it can be like for some reason it requires more effort, or it requires more time, or more convincing. But it isn't an easy task. That's what I'm trying. In whatever way it is for you, you have to see that it is some more. You have to climb the hill to reach that. It's something like that. And because of that, so there is maybe there is some sort of a difficulty over here, whatever the difficulty is for you, to put it in simple terms. So in spite of having a lot of emotions, even if you're not able to express them as much as you would like to, and having a lot of passion also. This situation seems to be sort of on hold, or not moving forward at least, or not moving towards commitment at least. Even if it is still you are going around, it can be that also. I'm not saying that you're not meeting or something like that, but maybe it's like it cannot be stepped up further for some reason. There is a difficulty in stepping it up, or leveling it up, or putting to the next level, or taking it to the next level. It's something like that. Okay, maybe because you know that there is some sort of a hurdle or a difficulty in taking it a step forward, that is why you are controlling your emotions. It can be that also, because somewhere you know that you can't take it further. It can be that also. So there is some sort of a difficulty in taking it further, or taking it to the next level, something like that. Okay, on your person side, we have the Ten of Pentacles. So as I said, this person wants a stable and a long-term relationship with you, maybe even a family and a marriage. For that, we have the Temperance, the Death and Rebirth, the Judgment, King of Pentacles, and the Sun card. So 4 major cards are here, and this is not something which is easy, or it is not something which is mild or less simple. Okay, it's something which is major. That's what it is a major transformation, it's a major change, it's something major happening, it's something destined, I should say. It is something major which is happening on this person's side, or what they are feeling energetically, or what they are having in their life. It's something major transition is going on this person's side. And what I feel here is that this person is in some way, shape or form undergoing a major change. They are trying to sort out their life. They are trying to make a decision over here. It's not easy for them. They are trying to make a decision, trying to weigh the pros and cons, trying to be patient, trying to moderate things. And it is a major transition over here. It is a major decision perhaps which they have to take. It's a major change, a major decision which they have to take. That's what I feel. And it is not easy for them. It is something really, really big for some reason on this person's side. Though this person is very happy with you, with the King of Pentacles and the Sun. So this person really wants this connection, and with the changes which they are going on in their life is they are trying to they are trying to balance their own life, maybe because with the Death and Rebirth, what I feel is it is a major transition which they are going in their life. It can be that their past experiences and this experience is different. It can be as simple as that, and that is why they are with the Temperance. They are trying to understand it and putting it together. Okay, now this is what it is, and trying to have a clearer look and have a new perspective on this type of a relationship. It is different for some reason. Okay, so this person is experiencing a major change over here. This person is really understanding as to what it is. So they have commitment on their mind. They do want commitment. They are trying to balance things. They are trying to view them from different perspectives, sorting out things. And it is a major change and a major decision. It's something really, really important for them. Major can be something important. This relationship is important for them. This decision is important for them. You are important for them. Okay. And with the King of Pentacles and the Sun, this person is really wishing happiness and happiness. This person really wants happiness with you. They want commitment, and it is a major decision at some point in time which they have to take, and they themselves are undergoing a major transition time in their life. Okay, maybe you are the source of their happiness. Okay, and that is the change which they are feeling, that like, okay, this relationship is different from others. It can be that also. For the most likely outcome, we have the Five of Swords. So for the Five of Swords, we have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So what I feel here is, this can be with the Five of Wands there and with the Five of Swords, maybe there is, as I said, it's not easy. There is some difficulties are there, and maybe when you're trying to sort out those difficulties, it gets a little bit argumentative. It can be that also. And maybe then one of you detaches or behaves in a detached manner or in a cold manner. But what I feel here is with the Knight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups, definitely love is there. It's something stable. It is, though it's like somebody, one of you, whosoever it is, is taking a slow pace. As I said, things are not moving very very fast in this direction for some reason. Somebody here is really waiting for you because they know that you are their Two of Cups. They know that you love them. They know that they are wanting this Two of Cups. They want this togetherness. They want to be with you. So I don't know what it is. It can be the discussion on maybe taking a step forward, that this argument pops up with the Five of Swords being there. So something is happening. Maybe it's some sort of fight or an argument which happens, can be there. But what I feel is it is because of the fact that somebody here is really really waiting for you, and other person is perhaps taking it too slow. But with the Two of Cups, what I feel is that it is definitely a connection which is beautiful, which is balanced. Let me see if I have anything else. Additional messages for Sagittarius in this reading. The Magician, the Strength, yes. Knight of Wands once again. See, definitely there is something. Somebody is definitely trying to manifest a new beginning in their life. But yes, definitely with the Strength and the Magician, again two major cards. See, at least one of you, what I feel is definitely, it's not easy for them. In spite of the fact that they have a lot of passion, this person is manifesting a new beginning in their life, or a new beginning in this relationship, whatever it is. Definitely somebody is strongly manifesting it with using their all, with the Strength and the Temperance. Definitely this person is requiring a lot of strength. They need patience. You have to, or somebody else has to show some patience. So a lot of strength, lot of patience, lot of willpower is being required. Whatever it is, whatever this major change is, it's not easy on at least one of your paths. Somebody here is, it's not easy for them. It's not easy for them. Okay, so yes, there is a new beginning, but yes, what I feel is you have to give it time. Perhaps maybe it will happen, because we have so many major cards. It is destined to happen. So whatever has to happen will happen. But what I feel is all the cards seem to be very good. The only thing is a little bit of a difficulty which is coming in, which perhaps you have to take care of. That's what I feel. But definitely there is a new beginning. Somebody here is really trying to manifest. Yes, a lot of patience and strength has to be required in this situation to step it up. That's what I feel, perhaps. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Number 23 may be of some significance for you. So no matter how much turbulent the situation is, you just need to believe in love and move forward. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.